Hi everyone, I'm Miss Stephanie, faith-based author and founder of Embrace Luminous Vibes. Today I'm going to show you how to add 8 servings of vegetables to one meal. So it's important to take care of our bodies when we're recovering from trauma, or if you just want to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. I've got a fun and delicious way to add those vegetables to your diet. I'm going to show you one of my favorite meals. Say what? Oh yeah. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll show you all the beautiful colored vegetables. I'll cut up the vegetables. I'll add some olive oil to the pan for stir fry, and then I'll show you the finished product. So one friendly reminder to keep in mind when you're counting vegetable servings daily is that raw cut up vegetables, 1 cup equals 1 serving. And for cooked vegetables, a half a cup equals 1 serving. Let's go. So I've got some turnip greens in a bag that I bought discounted for $2. I've got some collard greens that I bought discounted also for $2. So I'm just using what I have in my kitchen. I have a frozen pack of Brussels sprouts. I think I might have paid $1.50 for those. And I've got some I've got some baby carrots, and then I've got 2 Roma tomatoes, 2 small ones. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of the collard greens, 2 cups of the turnip greens. So 2 cups equals 2 servings. So between the leafy greens, that'll be 4 servings total. And then 6 baby carrots equals 1 serving. So I've got 12 baby carrots, so that's 2 servings. So the leafy greens combined is 4 servings. The baby carrots, that's 2 servings, so 4 plus 2 is 6. And then we've got 2 small Roma tomatoes, that'll be 1 serving, that's 7. And then I'll use 5 Brussels sprouts from the pack that I have here, so that'll be 8. And then for the seasonings, you can choose whatever seasoning you like to your taste. I've got cayenne pepper. I've got complete Badia seasoning. I've got garlic paste. Weber gourmet burger seasoning. Garlic powder. Black pepper. And seasoning salt. Yay! And then what I'll do is I'll also top the stir fry off with just a little bit of Asian style sweet chili sauce. Yum. Look at all the vibrant and scrumptious vegetables God has provided. This food is looking like a yummy snack. If you have a diet that limits the amount of fiber and potassium, please consult with your primary care provider to find out if this would be a good meal for you. Thanks for visiting. God bless. Mm.